Alright, here we go. Get ready to get on this old Edgemore Road. Edgemore Road. Well, I'm just sitting here riding across that interstate part of my job and just reminiscing about my trip that I just got off on going to Key West down there for Fantasy Fest. And we had about 17 to 18 motorcycles. And it reminds me of a story. Yeah! It's storytelling time with Slappy Adventures. Intro!
Alright, it's storytelling time with Slappy Adventures. Yay!
Papa Slappy, would you please tell us a story? Please, please.
Alright, children. Let Slappy Adventures tell you a little story. You guys ready?
Yeah, we ready.
Alright, here we go.
Once upon a time, not long ago.
Well, we had some new people on the trip, and we had some old folks. And one of the things that some of the new folks that had been on the trip were saying that we were stretched out a long way. Everybody's got their preconception of how a ride is supposed to be. The main thing to me, now this is my theory, is to enjoy yourself and not criticize and critique people on how they should ride. I tell people all the time, if you are behind somebody and you don't like the way they ride, or if they're gapping up, or they spreading the pack out, go around them. Nobody has a set spot. If that person is not riding the way you like to ride and you feel unsafe behind them, then the thing people love to say, ride your ride, well, ride it. Go around them, get in front of him, then you ain't got to worry about that person no more. And so on and so forth. But I like to let men and women be what they are. Men and women. Trying to tell somebody what to do with their bike or car or anything is a no-no in my book. I don't go around telling people or what they should do. I don't go around trying to tell people push my way on them. If they willing to learn and if I can teach them something, so be it. But I like for people to enjoy themselves. A lot of times when I do take a trip that's a vacation like that, a lot of these people are just meeting each other and they never rode with each other before. So it takes time to get a decent rapport, a decent to get used to somebody's riding habits. Well, the main thing is ride your ride. Go around them if you feel like you don't like it. Or turn around and go home. But don't try to dictate or critique grown folks. That don't go over too well. And I don't know how many people has taken 19 to 20 people on a big trip like that. It's not an easy job. I don't give a daggone what you got going on. You're going to stretch out. There's no way around it. I don't particularly like to be right up on somebody's bumper. Now that's me. If I'm, most of the time I'm leading, and that's my happy place. But I can't follow. What makes a great leader is an awesome follower. So I definitely know how to follow. But if I'm following somebody, I may be that one person that you're saying that's gapped up. Because I ain't going to run up on nobody's bumper because I'm looking left, right. I'm taking in the scenery. And that is my ride. I'm taking in the ambiance I'm taking in the scenery and what's going on around me. If I'm all up on somebody's bumper, now I'm tense. I got to stay, my head's got to be straight, and I got to be looking all the time to make sure ain't nobody stopping or hitting the brakes or something crazy so I don't run in the back of them. That's not my ride, man. I will loosen up. I will get in my zone, and I will enjoy it. I'll be looking this way, and I'll be looking that way. This is not a job. When you get on this thing, we on vacation. We enjoying ourselves. Now, if you like to be up on somebody when you ride, then that's your ride. It ain't mine. But the key word that I tell everybody, don't you run in the back of me. Don't do it. Don't run in the back of me and don't ride right beside me. I don't like that neither. I don't do that side by side crap. But stagger formation, but don't run in the back of me, but enjoy yourself. I don't spend no whole bunch of time trying to tell people, you need to speed up, you need to tighten up, you need to this, you need to that. That ain't what I do. That takes too much energy, and that's not what I'm out here for. I'm out here for the camaraderie, to meet some friends, and make some new friends. So, when you're on a group ride, when people are not, I've seen group rides of people that's been in the club for years, and they ride a little bit unorthodox to me, but that's them. That's the beauty of being an individual. Do your thing, and whatever they're doing, if it bothers me, I'm going to fall back, or I'm going to fall forward. So, just saying, that was kind of the topic that a few people were saying, that they don't ride this way, we don't ride that way. Well, who gives a damn shit how you ride? You riding with us, and we shut up and ride. We don't complain. We got our daggum smiles on. We smiling and laughing. And if anybody's seen some of the videos, we out there dancing in the doggone truck stops, poking fun.
Incident.
That's what it's all about.
Or the trailer breakdown. Here's what we do when we waiting on help
in a
to come.
group ride.
Bring it down,
If you want to do your thing, you get on down there on that hard slab, and you ride by
That
yourself.
boy got some moves.
And there's absolutely nothing
Triple D
wrong
ain't
with
got
that.
nothing on that boy.
There's been a few times I've been wanting to take a damn trip by myself, but it's always been somebody that might want to tag along with me. And I like that, man. People trust me to lead them, and I hate to say lead them because I'm on vacation, but, you know, somebody's got to take the head. I don't mind doing it, but I don't mind falling back if somebody knows more than me. But it's always easy to critique somebody that's trying to keep everybody together. There's always somebody trying to spread them apart or separate them or have something negative to say. We out here enjoying life. And a little bit, you can see some of these leaves are changing. I'm going to try to get up in them Smoky Mountains this weekend and maybe give y'all some real good views of some leaves changing if they ain't already done fell. If it ain't too daggum cold or if it ain't raining this weekend. But that was a little bit of a story. I guess wasn't much of a story, but a vlog or whatever, but it definitely, some of the people that's never rode with us before, those are the ones that had something to say. And everybody that has rode with us before, they were just smiling, just happy to be on vacation, happy to be enjoying the fruits of the labor. We work hard to pay for these bikes and keep them up, and, you know, I'm blessed to have these things, and these are very therapeutic if you let it. These things right here are not supposed to make you mad or have you in an angry position or upset about anything. I don't know how you can be on a motorcycle and be upset. I don't know how you could be on a motorcycle and find negativity while you're going to Florida with palm trees and sunshine. What is in your heart that allows you to be negative and you riding an expensive piece of machinery, what I call a toy? You're off work. Evidently, you got money in your back pocket going down to Florida. How can you find anything negative to say about that? I'm headed to work, y'all. Come on, ride with me while I hit these few little curves. Then I'm going to put you down with the extra.
Whoever underestimated, still waited. Pumping the radio, finally they played it. They wondered how come
Let's get it.
the album was late.
Hey, thanks for watching another episode of Slappy Adventures. Please like, share, and comment. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hey, stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.